This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Don't miss out on this almost like new home in St. Charles Court Village. Gated community with pool, clubhouse, pond, walking track. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Very open floor plan. Remote master bedroom with walk-in closest, separate tub and shower, dual sinks. Lots of natural lighting. 2 pantries, large kitchen island, lots of cabinets, gas stove. 2 gas fireplaces, 1 inside and 1 outside. Home backs up to the pond. Large outside covered patio with fireplace and outside built-in grill. Front porch with 2 swings. Call today for your private. For more information, review the details below.